Little Lily climbed onto her porch swing, tears welling in her eyes. Just yesterday, her playful puppy Patches was everywhere. He chased butterflies in the garden, tumbled over his own paws, and licked her face with sloppy enthusiasm. But this morning, Patches was gone. Lily's parents searched the house and yard. They called his name, their voices filled with concern. Lily remembered how Patches had wriggled out of his collar during their afternoon walk. She had tried to catch him, but he darted into the dense woods behind their house. Panic had seized her then, and it clutched at her heart now. Hours passed. The sun began to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and purple. Lily sat alone, the silence of the evening amplifying her sadness. She pictured Patches, small and afraid, lost in the vastness of the woods. Suddenly, a faint bark echoed from the tree line. Lily jumped up, her heart pounding. She ran to the edge of the woods, squinting into the fading light. Another bark. Closer. This time, then, a small furry shape emerged from the shadows. It was Patches. He limped slightly, a burr stuck in his ear, but his tail wagged furiously. Lily scooped him into her arms, tears of relief streaming down her face. Patches whimpered softly, then licked her cheek. He was home that night. Patches curled up tightly beside Lily, and they both slept soundly. Their lost adventure, a distant but memorable dream. For more stories, subscribe to Stories Desk channel